Alright, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. You guys might notice that I do have a full face of makeup on, but I'm missing the eyebrows. So you know what that means. We are testing out a new brow product. I again discovered this brand by Instagram ads, and this brand is called InstaEyebrows. And so they're essentially eyebrow tattoo stickers, and it's supposed to give you this illusion of like 4D fluffy brows. Obviously I do have quite a bit of my natural brow hairs, but you know, like I still like to fill them in. They're like sparse here and there, and so this is what the product is for, apparently. You know, like it has some befores of people who look like me, and then some afters of people who then have fluffy brows automatically by doing a tattoo sticker. So remember when we were little, I'm sure they are still floating around, but those tattoos where it's like on paper and then you peel off the little plastic and then you put it on and then you wet it, and then a couple seconds later you peel it off and the tattoo is on your skin. So it's essentially the same idea. I reached out because I was so interested in trying the product, and InstaEyebrows were nice enough to allow me to pick a set, and they sent it along to me. So thank you so much. But this is the first time I'm trying it. I'm gonna give an honest review of how it all goes down because I've never tried it before, but I'm so interested to see how it goes. The InstaEyebrow tattoos, right now they're on sale for $13.95, and you get a pack of 20 sets of eyebrows. And there's a lot of styles here, like I believe 8 styles, where it's a curved, soft arch, medium arch, all kinds of things, and you can choose between charcoal and brown. Number 1 curved is the size that I chose in charcoal because I just felt like it most matched what my current brows are and how I like to fill them in. Let's give it a try. And then I also pulled up some directions here so we are fully aware of how to do it together before we jump right in. Number 1, you cut a pair of the tattoo eyebrows from the sticker pack, then cut the pair into 2 individual eyebrow shapes. And then you remove the transparent cover layer, take the imprinted side and place it over your eyebrow. Wet the tattoo sticker and hold it in place for 3 seconds before peeling the tattoo sticker away from the skin. Dab your eyebrows dry. Additional tips is to wet the sticker tattoo using a cotton ball. Another tip is the tattoo sticker should be fairly wet, that the strip becomes slightly transparent, okay? And then last one is to ensure to not move the tattoo sticker once it is wet and hold in place for 3 seconds. All right, so it totally sounds like those little tattoos that you used to get from like the gumball machines. I used to get those all the time when I was little. So it sounds like we do it the same way. So it just came in one of these little envelopes. All it came with was this sheet of tattoo stickers. And so the brows definitely look nice and full. One thing that I'm wondering is like, how well does that tattoo sticker stick? But then if I have my own natural hair, that's like the one thing that I'm kind of wondering about. But when I see the ads and the videos and stuff, you know, the girls all have hair like mine. I do feel like it would work a lot better if you didn't have eyebrow hair, but I feel like everybody does. So we'll just see. We'll just see. So I'm going to open her up. Okay, interesting. Okay, so this is the side. This is just the paper side, so then it makes it easy for you to see the brow. But then this is the side that has the plastic, that has the actual tattoo. So that makes it a little bit easier so you can kind of see where you're placing. I was a little bit worried about that. What I'm gonna do is I'm just going to cut a pair off. Cut the pair off, and then I'm actually going to cut as close to the actual brow as possible. That way I feel like that'll just make it easier to place it where I want it. Here's one brow. Here are the brows. I tried to cut them as perfectly as possible because I feel like that will help with placement. So they're not gonna fit perfectly, but I'm wondering if it'll just help fill in, make it look better. Okay, so let's do the right side first. So what I have here is just like a glass of warm water, and I have one of these like reusable cotton pads. I do have a full face of makeup on, so I am going to try to be as careful as possible so then there's just not like water everywhere. And we shall see how it goes. Okay, so I'm going to take the plastic off, exposing the tattoo sticker. Oh, shoot. I accidentally flipped it and now it's stuck on my finger. Okay, so it's a little sticky already, so I think it's going to stick right on my brow. So yeah, I'm just going to place this as best, oh, shoot. Okay, I'm just going to place this as best I can. A little bit awkward, not really perfectly shaped. All right, I'm just gonna go with it here. I'm going to wet this. So awkward. All right, I'm going to wet the paper now. I'm trying not to wet it too much so it doesn't dribble all over my face. Paper's pretty transparent, but yeah, I think my brow is just bigger than this, so I don't know how it's gonna look. Oh, I'm nervous to take it off. Definitely has been 3 seconds. All right, let's see. Uh-oh. It's not transferring over. Okay, let me try to wet it more. Oh boy. Okay. I'm gonna slide it off. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, no. No, 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 no. Okay, maybe I need to try again. Oh God. That did not go so well. That did not go so well. Okay. Okay. So that first run did not go so well. No, I don't know what happened. I think like when I pulled it off, it was just still so wet. And then it like folded a little bit. And so I'm going to try again. Let's do the left one. And I've got a spoolie, so I'm going to brush up my hair as much as possible. And yeah, I do think that like this could work for somebody that really truly has very sparse, natural eyebrow hair. But I think it's just having trouble sticking properly because it's like putting one of these tattoos on hair and it's just not working very well. And you know, this is smaller than my natural brow. So I'm going to give it another shot. Really wanted this to work. It's kind of a cool idea. All right, let's try this again. Bring it up a little bit higher than the last one. Okay, after you wet it enough, it actually just sticks on your skin. Cute, cute. I'm going to take it off as carefully as possible. Okay. So it's on there. Yeah. You guys, I think this might be a little bit of a fail. See how it goes after it dries. It says to dab it dry. I think what it just kind of looks like right now, it almost looks like I got glue stuck in my brows and now my brows are like glued down. Like that's really what it feels like. I don't know if this is a good look for me, you guys. Okay, I'm going to at least make them match, right? Let me cut off another right brow. All right, going in with another right brow. Placement gets easier when you get some practice in, for sure. And instead of like peeling out, I found that it didn't mess it up when I like slid it off. So I'm gonna slide it off. Okay, that worked better. Sliding it up and off. But yeah, see this one? is really not sticking because it's my natural hairs is like pushing it forward. You guys, this look is not gonna work for me. This isn't going to work. It seriously feels like I have glue stuck in my brows and now they're glued down. I'm going to test one of these on the back of my hand because I really do think that there are some people that this could work for. One on there, put a little brow on there. It actually looks really nice and natural on the back of my hand. This is their website and I just really wanted it to work. You see how this girl like has some sparse brows and then she put the tattoo on and it was filled. So I thought it was going to be just like a quick way to fill in brows. These brows aren't the brows that she's got. It just is not working. Like, it's not working over my natural brows. Honestly, if you are someone that, you know, maybe overplucked when you were younger and really don't really have brows left, maybe this could work for you if you really don't have very many of your natural hairs. But if you do have natural hairs and are hoping that this will work to help fill in the brows and it could be a shortcut to doing that, unfortunately this ain't the product for you. I'm so sorry. It definitely was fun to try out. Thank you guys so much for bearing with me, but now I have to try to get these bad boys off. This is a little bit of a fail for me today. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Hopefully it was fun to watch and try out with me. I will be sure to link everything below that I mentioned today. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell so you're notified when I post my next video. And as always, please take care of yourselves and each other, and I will catch you guys next week. Bye.